Oh, wag kang yumakap! Wag kang yumakap! Dali kang tuloy bata doon! Ay, nakahawak na oh! Huwag kang yumakap, Gab!
Sige boy!
Boom! Sige! Sige, hilo na! Hilo na! Hilo na! Wala na! Hilo na! Hilo na! Sige! Sige, pass!
Cheers!
Wala, puta. Puro pangin na. Puta. Joey Diaz, puro papang siya sa kaamoy. Eh no, kita mo, tino mo. Bang!
Wow!
Bang! Bang! Hindi niya makita si Pacquiao.
Oo, yun o! Ito siya eh! Sumusok ko pala yung laban, di mo?
Joel Diaz said, forget about your blanking foot. Bradley must have said something to him about it. Pacquiao, by CompuBox count, landed 31 power shots in the fourth round, including 21 in that violent flurry in the last minute. It's very hard to imagine anyone scoring that round for Bradley, and frankly, for Bradley to be 4 rounds behind at this point is very bad for him. Especially that being a big one.
He mentioned was what if I look if I'm going to go down. Pacquiao put you on fire, and that's what he's done so far. But Bradley is still trying to win, which at this point in a lot of fighters wouldn't be.
May sarili lang ang
Of
bahay.
course, the harder he tries to win with those flurries, the more opportunities.
Wala na, yari na. Nakuha na di Pacquiao yung rating eh.
Supposed to stay back and check instances. Counter, but instead
Robinson na na.
Oh, hindi niya makita si ano, si Pacquiao, sumaside step eh.
deficit.
Boom! Oh! Hindi na! Nahuli yung ano niya eh. Alis ka ba yun? Nahuli siya eh.
Dahil sa game pa. Di ka na Houston din yung balang. Sige, okay lang. Yabang bang, okay lang.
Oh, tumatawa lang.
Yabang mo.
Umigod dito eh.
Kumenta ka pa eh, buya.
Maganda ng istorya ng buhay. Mas maganda istorya ng buhay niya.